Mastering English Prepositions. Discover as in all its glory. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English grammar and focusing on a very specific topic: the preposition, as. This preposition is incredibly versatile and is often used in various expressions to convey different meanings. Let's learn how to use it correctly and elevate our English skills. As is primarily used as a preposition or a conjunction in English sentences. However, today we are focusing on its role as a preposition. As a preposition of manner, as often describes the way in which something happens or the way in which it is done. Let's take a look at a few examples. 1. She looked at me as if I were a stranger. Here, as describes the manner in which she looked at me. 2. He works as a teacher. In this example, as describes the role or job he does. Now that we understand the basic usage of as, let's move on to common expressions that include this preposition. English is filled with common expressions that use as. These idiomatic expressions may not always make sense if you take them literally, but they're widely used and recognized by native speakers. Here are some. 1. As soon as. This means, at the same time or a very short time after. Example, I'll call you as soon as I arrive. 2. As well as. This is another way to say, in addition to. Example, she plays the guitar as well as the piano. 3. As if, as though. These phrases are used to describe something that appears to be true or when imagining a situation. Example, he talks as if he knows everything. 4. As far as. This expression is used to indicate the extent or degree of something. Example, as far as I know, they're still planning to come. Remember, the best way to learn and remember these expressions is to use them in your daily conversations. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on as, a handy preposition that adds depth and detail to your English expressions. Remember, mastery of prepositions like as will make your English more fluent and natural. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use these expressions in your daily conversations. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning!